What if you could run your entire online business using just one single AI app? No juggling multiple subscriptions, no complicated logins, no monthly fees. Just one smart AI that handles everything for you. From writing content, creating videos, designing graphics, to automating your sales and leads, all in seconds. Sounds insane, right? Well, that is exactly what this brand new software called OmniBOT AI claims to do. In this video, I am reviewing OmniBOT AI, showing you what it is, how it works, who it is for, and whether it actually lives up to the hype, so make sure you watch till the end before making any decision. What is OmniBOT AI? OmniBOT AI is an all-in-one artificial intelligence platform designed to handle almost every online business task from a single dashboard. It combines the power of multiple premium AI tools, such as content writing, video creation, chatbot automation, image generation, and more, all inside one easy-to-use system. Instead of paying for separate apps like ChatGPT, Canva, or Jasper, OmniBOT AI brings everything together under one roof. You simply type or speak your command, and the platform instantly generates the result. Whether that is a marketing video, blog post, product description, or social media content. In short, OmniBOT AI aims to save you time, money, and effort by giving you a complete AI workforce that works 24/7 without any monthly fees. Why OmniBOT AI is different from other AI tools. Most AI tools in the market focus on just one feature. Some only write content, others create images, and a few can make short videos. But OmniBOT AI stands out because it combines all of these features into a single, unified platform. It does not just act as another chatbot. It connects with multiple powerful AI engines and gives you the best result for whatever you ask. So, whether you need a sales copy, a YouTube script, a logo, or a promotional video, you can get everything done right inside OmniBOT AI, without switching between apps or paying for multiple subscriptions. It is like having ChatGPT, Canva, Pictory, and Jasper, all rolled into one smart assistant that works on command. That is what truly makes OmniBOT AI different. Features Overview. In less than 60 seconds, OmniBOT AI can access every premium AI tool on the planet, with just a single command, and without any extra cost. Let me give you a quick tour of what is waiting inside this powerhouse platform. 1. Graphics and Design Powerhouse. OmniBOT connects with tools like Midjourney V6, DALL-E 3, Stable Diffusion, Leonardo AI, Adobe Firefly, and Canva AI, letting you design professional logos, scroll-stopping social media posts, 3D mockups, and marketing visuals that look like $2,000 agency work. 2. World-class copywriting engine. With access to ChatGPT 4, Claude 3, Gemini Ultra, Jasper AI, and WriteSonic, you can instantly generate sales pages, ad copy, blog posts, and viral social content that actually converts. 3. Hollywood-style video creation suite. Using tools like Synthesia, Runway ML, Pika Labs, and Pictory, OmniBOT lets you produce spokesperson videos, product demos, explainer videos, and ads in minutes, all without actors, cameras, or editing. 4. Website Development Studio. With integrations like Webflow AI, WordPress AI, and Framer, you can build complete, responsive business websites, e-commerce stores, or portfolio pages in under 10 minutes, even with zero coding skills. 5. Audio and Voice Studio. Access 11 Labs, Play.ht, Muff AI, and Suno AI to generate realistic voiceovers, audiobooks, jingles, and multilingual podcasts with natural human tone and perfect pronunciation. 6. App and Software Development. With GitHub Copilot, Replit, and Tab9, OmniBOT can even code mobile apps, plugins, and automations that save hours of manual work, turning your ideas into real, working software. 7. Business Intelligence and Analytics. Tools like Manus AI and Data GPT deliver market research, customer insights, SEO audits, and performance dashboards worth thousands of dollars, all generated in minutes. 8. Customer Service Automation. OmniBOT also builds AI chatbots and support systems using Dialogflow and Raza, giving you 24/7 lead qualification, order tracking, and instant customer responses. And the best part, it includes 83+ more specialized AI tools covering every possible business need. Simply type your command, and OmniBOT does the rest. Fast, accurate, and beautifully executed. Who can benefit from OmniBOT AI? OmniBOT AI is for anyone who wants to save time, reduce costs, and get professional results fast. No tech skills needed. Entrepreneurs and freelancers. Create, design, and launch projects instantly. Agencies and marketers. Deliver client work and ads in minutes. Content creators and YouTubers. Generate videos, scripts, and graphics effortlessly. E-commerce and local businesses. Build websites, ads, and automate support. If you use the internet to make money or promote your business, OmniBOT AI is built for you. Pricing and bonuses. Get OmniBOT AI today with a one-time payment. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. Enjoy unlimited access to 100+ premium AI tools, lifetime updates, and 24/7 support. All for around $17 during the early bird launch. After launch, it may switch to a monthly plan. So lock in your lifetime access now for the best value. And that's not all. Grab OmniBOT today and unlock 5 powerful bonuses to supercharge your success. Bonus 1. AI Profit Blueprint. You'll get step-by-step video training showing you exactly how to turn OmniBOT into a $10,000 plus per month income stream. Inside, you'll discover 47 profitable service ideas, pricing templates, and client acquisition strategies that make growing your business simple and fast. Bonus 2. Client Acquisition Masterclass. This is my personal system for landing high-paying AI clients, often within just 48 hours. You'll get email templates, cold outreach scripts, proposal frameworks, and pricing strategies proven to close up to 87% of prospects. Bonus 3. 1000 OmniBOT Power Prompts. A massive library of copy-paste prompts that unlock OmniBOT's full potential across every AI tool. All neatly organized by business category and profit potential, so you can find exactly what you need in seconds. Bonus 4 to 30-day profit challenge. Follow our proven 30-day plan, and if you don't make at least $1,000 with OmniBOT, we'll refund every penny, and you still keep everything. That's how confident we are that this system works. Bonus 5. AI Kit. ChatGPT Autoblog. Create fresh, engaging content for your blogs faster than ever. Just copy, paste, and watch OmniBOT generate high-quality posts that drive traffic and boost your rankings. Bonus 6. AI Mailer. The ultimate AI email marketing tool. Send unlimited emails with no monthly fees. Design beautiful newsletters, launch branded campaigns, and track results, all with AI-powered ease. And wait, there's more. For the first 100 action takers, you'll also receive the OmniBOT Unlimited commercial license, absolutely free. If you'd like to try OmniBOT AI for yourself, click the link in the description below. Grab it today to lock in the special launch price and bonus packages. Don't forget, you're covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If this review helped, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.